Hi, today I will open this packet with black and white emerging powers to see what I'll get. Here it comes. I am quite new at this one, the opening package in YouTube, but we will see. First we got Gothica, like this one, and Panpur, Daddle, Clink, Ferroseed, then I'll get one Kotorica, quite a little shiny one, I think. Then I got Thunderous, that is, I don't know, but a very quite shiny one. This one too. Actually the finest one of them. Then I got a Crushing Hammer. Then a Drillbur. And a Watchhog. And that's all for me today. Then thank you.